On today's episode of Discover Colorado, we're going to be visiting St Vrain State Park, located just 30 miles north of Denver on I-25, right off of exit 240. It is currently the middle of January, but we wanted to take the camper out of hibernation. After arriving a little bit later than we would like to, about 3 o'clock, we decided we better hurry up and get the chairs set up and get a fire going before it got too dark so we could enjoy the sunset. While I waited for the fire to get nice and hot so we could cook dinner, I decided to take a walk down by the water. I didn't do a lot of venturing this time because it was pretty cold. St. Vrain is a great spot for fishing, but the conditions were not really optimal. The ice was very thin and there were a few people out there, but I wasn't really feeling that brave. There was a bird off in the distance, and I wanted to get a closer look. While I still couldn't identify the bird, it's really cool to see wildlife. While St. Vrain is located very close to the highway, there's still a lot of wildlife that can be seen, such as eagles, egrets, white pelicans, turtles, snakes, coyotes, and muskrats. As the sun dropped in the sky, I figured it was a good time to head back to camp and watch the sunset with my wife. No matter where you're watching from, Colorado sunsets are always breathtaking. It's definitely time to go back by the campfire. See you guys next time.